Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my last Valentine's look, and I let Instagram choose what I'm going to be doing for this look. So let me pull it up real quick. I asked you guys what did I ask you? So I gave you a bunch of different polls on my stories, and I asked you guys, should I do a bronze eyeshadow or a colorful eyeshadow? The majority of you said colorful. I said, and I tried to choose between two palettes I haven't used in a while. So I said, would you rather have the Colourpop Sweet Talk or the Morphe Volume 1 from Jaclyn Hill? And you guys voted more for the Sweet Talk. And I said red or nude lip. You guys chose red. And so we are going to try to make a Valentine's look out of the Sweet Talk palette, which I know you've seen this. I know you have. So the reason why I opted to choose this as one of my choices, either this or the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, was because I know a lot of people got this palette, so it's accessible to them, and I know a lot of people might have colors that are in the Morphe palette, and I haven't used those in a while, and I wanted to use them, and I wanted to give you guys the option if you do have this palette. So I'm probably going to stay away from the pinky tones in here because these are more coral than they are pink, like true pink. So to get started, I want to take this shade, In Case You Missed It, and put that pretty much all over the lid and right up to the crease. So without dipping back in any more product, I'm just going to use the brush. I forgot to mention, it's just a fluffy brush from Too Faced. I'm going to start blending the edges out. So the next shade I'm going to go into is Melody, which is like this goldy kind of shade. And for a little bit of depth, we're going to take Feel Free. And I don't really want it to look burgundy like it looks in the package. I just want to add it for a little bit of deepness to the eye. So we're just going to put a little bit in the outer corner, and then we're going to blend. So on a smaller brush, I'm going to run that first color we used under the lash line. So I'm going to take the pinky nude shade in the palette called Catch Me, and I'm going to blend that on my brow bone. Now I want to take this shade Garden Date, which is a little bit of a pinky shade, and I want to go over the center with that shade in really light brushing motions, just so it's like a light wash of color. So we are going to take the Super Shock in the palette called Side to Side, and we're going to put that in the inner corner. So underneath the eye, we're going to take a little bit of this glitter in the palette called Prima Drama, and we're going to take it on this little flat brush and put it on our bottom lash line. So now we're going to go in and curl our lashes and do mascara. Now we are just doing a little bit of highlighting with the Nikkie Tutorials Ofra Glow Goals highlighter that apparently I can't stop using. So you guys also voted for a red lip. So we are going to use the Wet n Wild Raging Red. So I feel like that goes pretty well with it. I really have been enjoying these Wet n Wild lipsticks. I have a review and swatch and try on of these if you want to see that. And yeah, that's all for this look. I feel like it's a really kind of feminine, sexy kind of look that you can do. And it's honestly pretty simple. I'll bring you guys in and let you see a close-up of this. So we have a little bit of that sparkle going on from that Super Shock. We have that glitter on the bottom, obviously added sparkle. And it's just a nice, like, light wash, almost like a rose gold kind of shade. And that's all for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this isn't really your cup of tea, I have a couple other videos you can go back and see if you want, a couple other Valentine's videos I did. If you guys have any suggestions or something you'd like to see, put it down in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!